Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Discord dashboard. First, open your Discord application and navigate to the server you wish to manage. Click on the server name at the top left, then select Server Settings from the drop-down menu. This is your starting point for all server customizations and bot integrations. We'll then move to the Integrations tab to begin adding your bot. Once in Server Settings, find the Integrations tab on the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see options for webhooks and bots. To add a new bot, you'll typically go to a bot's official website or a trusted bot list. Click the Invite or Add to Discord button, which will redirect you to an authorization page. Make sure to select the correct server from the drop-down menu. After selecting your server, you'll be presented with a list of permissions the bot is requesting. It's crucial to review these permissions thoroughly to ensure they align with the bot's intended functions and your server's security. Grant only the permissions that are absolutely necessary. Once satisfied, click Authorize to finalize the bot's integration into your Discord server. You're almost there. With your bot authorized, many bots offer a dedicated web dashboard for further customization. You can usually find a link to this dashboard on the bot's official website. Here, you can fine-tune settings like command prefixes, enable or disable specific features, and manage roles or channels the bot interacts with. Explore these options to tailor the bot to your server's unique needs. Remember to check the description for the link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your newly enhanced Discord experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.